Greetings! In this video, I will be presenting to you our system titled WAVELINK, a web-based internet portal for Jewel and Jade's ISP business. Currently, we're at the landing page of our webpage. At the top of our webpage, you can see our navigation text, in which clicking on them will make you go to the corresponding sections of our webpage. Now, as a subscriber of our system, simply click on the login button. It will redirect you to the login page. Simply input in your designated email like so and your password. Make sure the password you inputted is correct, otherwise you will not be able to log in. So let's just fix this minor error and then proceed to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, it will redirect you to your client dashboard, in which to the left you can see your navigation bar. Clicking on the navigation bar allows you to navigate to the different parts of this client dashboard. Here at the very top, you can see your account overview module. In here, you can see your account details and your current plan. You can manage your account by clicking on this Manage Account button. Going to it will make you redirected to the account overview page. In here, you can see your account information and your subscription information, both of which are uneditable. However, your personal information is editable. Simply click on the field you want to edit and then add your changes. Then click on the Save Changes and just wait for your process to load. Account has been updated successfully, and now my name is now Luke Daniel. At the bottom of that, you can select your new plan. Here you can see the different plans you can upgrade to. However, as stated in our terms of service, you are unable to downgrade. You can read our terms and conditions in the login page at the bottom. But for example, if you want to upgrade your plan to standard, simply click on the standard and click on upgrade now. Simply wait for the process to finish, and then it will send a ticket to the admin side for further validation and processing. Now let's go back. To the right of the account overview, we have the speed test API. Let's run this and check our internet speed. While that loads, let's move on to the next module, which is our billing module. Here you can see your current bill, which is $800, which is due on November 30. And below that, you have the payment history, in which you can view your previous payment records. You have 3 buttons beside them, which is the download receipt, a download solo, and the view button. Clicking on the view button allows you to see the details of this payment record. You can see your plan details in the billing period as well as your payment details. Oh, there you go. It now finally worked. You can see our download speed of 18.21 Mbps and our upload speed of 77.48 Mbps. Now let's try and create a payment record. Simply click on the Pay Now button, in which you will be redirected to the payment checkout page. In here you can see your payment summary of your amount to be paid of $800 as well as your billing period. Mine is set to November 1 to November 30. Below those you can set your payment methods. Right now, our system only accepts GCash as the others are coming soon. Clicking on them will just leave you with a pop-up that says coming soon. So let's proceed with GCash. Click on Pay Now. It will then pop up a confirmation of if the inputted details are correct. Your amount to be paid is $800, with your plan of being basic as well as the payment method being GCash. Let's proceed by clicking Pay with GCash. After that, you will be shown a QR code which you can scan using your phone. Scanning this on your phone will redirect you to GCash with the correct amount you need to pay already encoded in. Please proceed with the transaction and make sure to keep a screenshot of the receipt, as well as keep in mind of the GCash reference number. As for in the next part of this, you will be asked for the GCash reference number. Now, for demonstration purposes, let's assume that this is the GCash reference number. Then let's choose our file. This will be the screenshot that you had taken. Let's pretend this is the one that you have taken, and then proceed on the next. A final confirmation dialog will pop up, asking if this is the correct reference number, as well as the amount paid, and you can even view the image that you have attached, if it's the correct one or not. Click on Finish. Let's wait for it to process. Payment has been recorded and has been sent to the admin. You have two buttons at the bottom, which is View Receipt, in which you can view the receipt as well as download and print it at the top. Here's the receipt. Let's go back, and then the next one is just simply going back to the dashboard. After that, we should see our process here in the bill module, which is this one. It's now pending and is being validated in the front to the admin side. And below those two are the last two final modules, the ticket history and the chatbot. For the ticket history, you can simply see here the different tickets we have. I have here two tickets already. I have requested to upgrade my basic to standard plan. This is a previous one that I have made. Unfortunately, it hasn't been processed yet, so there's now two of them. And let's submit a new ticket. For submitting a new ticket to solve your issues and concerns, your email and branch has already been pre-selected for you. You just now need to simply select the type of issue you're having. Let's say technical issue, and say I have two upgrade tickets. Oops, I forgot spelling there. Upgrade tickets. Let's submit this ticket. There you go, our ticket has been created successfully, and we should see it reflect here in our ticket history. There you go, I have two upgrade tickets, in which our ticket category is technical, and its status is open right now. On the other tab, you can see your closed tickets, as well as you can also filter up the type of tickets you have. Technical, see? Now for the chatbot support, unfortunately I am unable to show you this as I don't have the keys to trigger this, and I'm pretty sure the UI has been changed a little bit. So let's move on to Richard's side of things to demonstrate the chatbot for you guys.
Alright, how do you access this chatbot? Well, the chatbot is already available through our WaveLink application. No special setup required. Just start asking questions. So let's try asking, what are your service hours? Now, here are some best tips to, well, get better responses. Ask clear, specific questions. Use complete sentences. Ask one question at a time. Rephrase if the chatbot doesn't understand. What you can't or what you shouldn't do is use excessive slang or abbreviations. Ask multiple unrelated questions at once. Or expect the chatbot to handle complex account-specific issues. Alright. Looks like our Olibot has responded to our first inquiry. Hi Luke, our business hours are from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday, Philippine time, UTC time zone. During these hours, you can manage your account from your dashboard, view/pay your bills, change plans, run a speed test, submit tickets, view service history, and update account settings. It will continue to ask you how it can help you today, and, well, you should follow on the rest. Let's ask it, how do I pay my bill? Alright. Hi Luke, here's how you pay your bill from your dashboard. Log into your account. In your dashboard, click on Tap Pay Bills, which is here. Choose your preferred payment method, online banking or e-wallet. We have GCash and online banking. Enter the required billing information, review and confirm the payment, check your email for the statement of account, and a payment receipt. If you run into any issues, you can submit a support ticket from the dashboard or tell me and I'll help troubleshoot it. Now, what it meant for submitting a support ticket is already tackled previously by our friend here, Luke.